This is an ex-USSR factory, which is now a climbing gym. And today we will join our first climbing competition. Let's go.
The competition would first begin inside of the factory, and then we would climb outside. When we arrived, we almost felt like workers in the 80s. It was really impressive. Some pulleys that can lift massive things were still there, and in the background you can see there is a huge old-school lead climbing wall full of crimps without any volumes. It was really refreshing to see something different from commercial gyms, you know. The walls had original and interesting features and shapes. After checking the place, we were kind of stressed because we realized that we were late. So we didn't take any time to warm up. At first, we observed how the other competitors were climbing, especially those who had massive forearms, to see if we stand a chance. The situation was a bit messy, but after a while we felt in the flow, eager to flash as many boulders as possible and harvest some easy points on V4s. Unfortunately, it was a bit painful to warm up on such boulders. It's something we're really not used to. But you know, when it's for a competition, you don't really care. For example, on this blue boulder, the jump on the right hand can be quite aggressive to start a session. During this warm-up, we really felt the pressure to flash all the problems. Firstly, because you lose points the more tries you have, and secondly, to avoid losing stamina that will be crucially needed to complete the hardest boulders outside. The first thing we noticed outside was that the wall was full of marks, like a way to tell us that thousands of boulderers have struggled on this wall before. And just like them, we struggled so hard on this white boulder. Even the camera somehow turned the video to red color when we had to switch feet on this big shouldery move. For the next boulder, we couldn't do the start, so we just put a mattress underneath to gain a few inches. I don't know if it's allowed, but no one told us anything, so I guess it's fine. As you can see, the lady on the right kindly showed us the beta from the bottom to the top. It was very helpful because we mostly climb on spray wall, so we often struggle with finding betas. We just go full power on every move without reading the boulders, like monkeys. Now slab. Look at these holes. They are older than us, and they mimic so much real rock. It's amazing. They are so much more versatile than new generation holds because you can find 1,000 different ways to use them. As you could have guessed, we didn't really do this as a slab, but we just pushed like we wanted to unscrew the holes. The competition was looking good, we were flashing all the boulders and felt much better than usual because of the adrenaline. We weren't even reading the betas, the objective was only to pull up and top. But if we're completely honest with you, the national championship was actually happening in another city, so all the good climbers of the country were somewhere else. That's why the climbs didn't require some professional climbing skills. There was a total of 25 boulders to do, and we had already completed 12 of them at this point. For the ones left, we made sure to get the zone on them before even trying to get to the top. We still had an hour left to get the missing tops, so we completed 4 more boulders during this time for a total of 16 out of 25. We got the zones on all of the others, except this blue boulder you see right now. So if you have any ideas on how to do the beta, please let us know. As for the results, we finished 7th and 10th out of 17, just 1 spot away from qualifying for the finals. But to be honest, it was not even close because the person just above us got 24 tops and we only got 16, so there was no chance for us to get in the finals. Anyway, it was super fun, the gym was amazing. We really want to thank the route setters for their work, and that's it.